Natural disasters on Event Shock channel. You're welcome. Shocking footage and updates of a massive rockfalls and devastating floods force evacuation of Swiss village Brienz. In an alarming natural disaster, severe floods in Switzerland have triggered massive rockfalls in the small village of Brienz, leading to the evacuation of all 70 residents. Torrential rains caused millions of cubic meters of rock to crash down, with enormous boulders blocking roads and narrowly missing homes. The once stable rock face above the village, ominously known as the island, had been unstable for decades, but recent violent storms have accelerated the rock slides to dangerous levels. The Bernese Oberland, along with the cantons of Uri and Aargau, were hit hardest by these violent storms that struck central Switzerland on Monday evening. The damage in Brienz is especially severe, with floodwaters submerging the train station and cutting off the CFF line. Striking images capture the devastation, from submerged vehicles to landslides that have transformed the landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation as Swiss authorities continue their efforts to manage the aftermath of these catastrophic events. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed on the latest news.